Hey, hello guys. Today we are going to see how to create glass effect to button element in Figma. Most of the time we require a glass effect in our project. So let's get started. First, open the Figma. I have created this rectangle with a gradient of blue and pink. I'll make it little bit zoom, and now I'll go on the Figma. Just click on text and enter a button name. Button. I'll simply add button only, and I'm using auto layout. And on the right side, when you make auto layout, your your text will come like this. See you in the layers panel, and on the property panel you can fill with colors like white color and opacity 15%, and go to the effect. Choose the glass from drop down and select the glass options. And to make more enhanced, to look more appealing, add some border radius to 8 pixel, and on the auto layout options add some more spacing to the left, top, bottom, and left, right. I'll add 60 on left and right, and on top and bottom I'll add something 20 pixel. So here is your buttons. This is how glass effect we can use in a Figma. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.